Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the new flexible display smartphone Huawei Pocket 2 is officially unveiled with amazing features and characteristics. According to the latest news, the new Huawei Pocket 2 will receive a larger flexible display, higher storage options, powerful protection, great emergency features, improved optical zoom, and even more faster battery charging speed. Also, the new model will receive a powerful processor that will change your smartphone experience and will be fully stylish. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Huawei today officially unveiled its new foldable smartphone. The new product is called Huawei Pocket 2, and in a number of parameters, it surpasses its competitors. Let's talk about Huawei Pocket 2 display features. The new flexible Huawei Pocket 2 received an OLED screen with a diagonal of 6.94 inches or resolution of 1690 by 1136 pixels, a frame rate of 120 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 2200 CD SQM. The device has once again received improved hinges. Now they have become flatter, which has made it possible to reduce the thickness. Let's talk about Huawei Pocket 2 camera features. The main camera is represented by 3 modules. The main features are 50 megapixel sensor, a wide-angle lens with f1.6 aperture, and an OIS system. The second module has a 12 megapixel sensor and an ultra-wide-angle lens. The third has an 8 megapixel sensor, OIS, and lens with 3x optical zoom. Let's talk about the Huawei Pocket 2 battery, chipset, and other characteristics. The new Huawei Pocket 2 received support for two-way satellite communication. The battery capacity is 4520 mAh. It supports wired charging with a power of 66 watt and wireless charging with a power of 40 watts. The operating system is the proprietary Harmony OS 4, and the hardware platform is based on the SoC Kirin 9000S, like the Huawei Mate 60 smartphone. Let's talk about Huawei Pocket 2 selling date and prices. Pre-sales started today with open retail sales beginning March 1st. Prices are as follows: 12GB of RAM and 256GB of variant will be priced $1,050. 12GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage option will be priced $1,100, as well as 12GB of RAM plus 1TB of storage option will be priced $1,250 respectively. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.